In this video, I am going to show you that how to fix Roblox error code 279. So first of all, we have to open cmd command prompt, but make sure that you run it as an administrator. After doing so, you have to put here some specific commands. The first command is that ipconfig space / and then +dns in one word and then hit the enter. After doing so, you have to put the second command, which is netsh space winsock space and then enter. After doing so, you have to put the third specific command, which is netsh space winsock space and then reset and hit the enter again. After doing so, you have to put the exit and then press enter. And the next step is that you have to just open your control panel in your PC or laptop and then click on the small icons here and then click on the network and the sharing option and then just right click on your internet connection and click on the properties option here. Just click on the protocol version 4 and then double click on it. After this, a new window will be open for you. You have to click use the following DNS server address and then put here the address 1111 and again 100 and 1 and then press OK. After doing so, you have to close all of these windows, and after closing, the most important step is that you have to just restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your error code 279 in Roblox will be fixed. So that's all for this video. For more information, you can visit my website, whose link I have shared in my description. So give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Don't forget to leave a comment. Thanks.